boys and girls, it's a submarine. It's a submarine. It's a submarine. Yay!
But come on, Steve, let's go!
Okay, Maggie, I'm coming. Hey, we're going under the sea. Come with us. Yay! Let's see what we can see under the sea. Hell, let's go. Oh, where's Maggie gone? Oh, Maggie.
Wow! Hey, look at this, boys and girls. What is it? I don't know, but it's got 5 legs. Let's ask Steve. Steve!
I'm here, Maggie. Hey, what have you found? What is it?
I don't know.
Oh, really?
No.
Hey, well, let's ask the boys and girls if they know. Yay! What is it? What is it?
I don't know.
What is it? What is it?
I don't know.
What is it?
Woo!
Oh, look! A starfish! A starfish! 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 Look! A starfish! A starfish! 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 Oh, what a lovely starfish! Hey! Where did the starfish go? I didn't know they could be so fast. Oh, and where's Maggie? Oh, Maggie! Maggie! Hey, where is Maggie? Can you see her? Oh, there she is. Maggie, wait for me.
Wow! What a funny thing! What is it? Let's ask Steve. Steve!
Oh, wow! Look at what Maggie's found.
Yeah.
What is it?
I don't know.
Really? Boys and girls, do you know what it is?
Ooh.
Yeah? It's a jellyfish. But
Hey!
don't tell Maggie just yet.
What is it, Steve?
What is it? What is it?
I don't know.
What is it? What is it?
I don't know.
What is it? Oh, look! A jellyfish! A jellyfish! 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 Look! A jellyfish! A jellyfish! 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 Hey! What was that? And where's the jellyfish? And where's Maggie? Something's going on. Maggie? What's
Look
going
at
on?
this, boys and girls. It can fly. Like me. It's an underwater bird. Woo! But what's its real name?
Look!
I
look!
don't know.
What has Maggie found? She's found a stingray. Oh, look at the stingray. Wow! Hey, I wonder if Maggie knows what it is. Let's ask her. What is it? What is it?
I don't know.
What is it? What is it?
I don't know.
What is it? Oh, look! A stingray! A stingray, stingray, stingray! Look! A stingray! A stingray, stingray, stingray! Where did the stingray go? No! It must have been scared by the octopus. Oh, wow! Look at the octopus and sing with me. Come on, hey! What is it? What is it?
I don't know.
What is it? What is it?
I don't know.
What is it? Oh, look! An octopus! Octopus, octopus, octopus! Look! An octopus! Octopus, octopus, octopus! Hey! What a great octopus! Oh, but what's that? Down there. Let's have a look.
Oh, this octopus will make a great pet! Yeah! Abracadabra! Come on, let's find some more pets! Yay!
Oh, wow! Snip, snip, snip. Hey, look, boys and girls. What is it? What is it? Yeah, it's a crab. Pretend to be a crab like me. Oh, snip, snip, snip. Hey, Maggie, look at this.
Whoa, what is it, Steve?
You don't know what it is? Well, let's ask the boys and girls.
Yeah!
What is it? What is it?
I don't know.
What is it? What is it?
I don't know.
What is it? crab, crab, crab. Look, a crab, crab, crab. Yay!
That'll make another great pet for me! Abracadabra!
Hey,
Yay!
where did the crab go? And Maggie, what do you mean, another pet? It was you taking all the sea creatures.
Yeah!
But where are they, Maggie? Show me, Maggie. Show me what you've done with all those sea creatures.
Oh, okay. Abracadabra!
Look, boys and girls. Oh, there's a starfish,
Yeah!
a jellyfish,
Yeah!
a stingray,
Yeah!
an octopus,
Yeah!
and a crab in my bath.
My pets!
Maggie, you can't keep sea creatures as pets in a bath. Oh, Maggie, send them all back to the sea where they belong.
Okay.
You naughty, naughty bird.
Abracadabra!
Oh, that's better. But hey, Maggie, you can go back to the sea to visit them anytime you like.
Oh, let's go now! Abracadabra!
Whoa! That's better. Hey, look, boys and girls, all the sea creatures are back under the sea and happy.
Okay, Mrs. Chicken. I'll watch the eggs for you. Bye! Come on! Oh, we need a little Maggie magic! Abracadabra! Abracadabra! Oh! Abracadabra!
Maggie, where's Maggie? She should help me work on the farm. Maggie! Oh, hey! Hello, boys and girls. Today, I'm on a farm with lots of animals. Yeah! But I can't find Maggie. Where is she? Oh, hey! What's that? Oh, look! Oh, it's a mouse! It's a mouse! It's a mouse! Oh, I don't like mice. No. Do you like mice? Yes? No? Well, if you don't like mice, say with me, I don't like mice. I don't like mice. I don't like mice. Oh, no. Shoo, go away. Oh, that's better. There's something I like. Hey, look, what is it? Yeah, it's a duck. Oh, say with me, it's a duck, it's a duck, it's a duck. Hey, I like ducks. Oh, more ducks. Great. So, if you like ducks, say with me, I like ducks. Come on. I like ducks. And again, I like ducks. Oh, well done. Hey, are you hungry? Here you are. Hey. Oh, do you like pigs? Yes? No? Well, hey, come with me. Let's see the pigs. Come on. Hey, what can you see? Yeah, pigs. But I like pigs. Oh, look at this piggy here. Maybe he's hungry. Hey, hello, little piggy. Are you hungry? Here you are. Oh, look. Oh, that's not right. No. Look, it's half pig and half chicken. Oh, what's going on? Oh, hey, what's happening to me? Oh, no. Hey, oh, look at me. I'm half Steve and half chicken. Oh, this must be magic. Aha! Maggie magic. Yeah. Where is that naughty, naughty bird? Maggie! Maggie! Hey! Maggie!
Open! Come on!
Maggie!
Open!
Maggie!
Oh, these eggs won't
Maggie!
open!
What are you doing?
I'm using my magic to make more chickens! Like you!
Maggie, that's not funny. I don't want to be a chicken. Change everything back to normal. Now!
Okay, abracadabra!
Oh, that's better. Look, I'm not a chicken anymore. Sorry, but look, hey, these are chickens.
Yeah!
Oh, look, the eggs are hatching.
Wow!
Oh, great. And they didn't need any of your Maggie magic.
No.